Corner marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. We're going racing at the sound of the start tone. All right, there we go. We switched up our live stream, and we're at the final leg on our live stream there. We're enjoying our A3s as our first group off and running. USGT, all 11 made the big show. And we have 10 out there right now. John Higgs, actually 9 out there running. Arthur Knight did not start. He's already our champion with a win in A1 and a win in A2.
But yeah,
these guys battling out for the rest of the positions.
No.
Guys, race number 38. Let's get them ready to go.
I'm sober.
Our race leader, John Hicks, the local race director and announcer off the straightaway. Hicks out in front. Already coming up on some traffic, and we're clear. Thanks, Brett. Our race leader, John Hicks, followed by Dominic Garza and Cortez. Rounding out our top 3.
You know, this I have a 26-year-old daughter.
Juan in the 4th spot, and Angel to round out the top 5.
And my 4-year-old is like, when I go like this, I feel like something's wrong with 3-day race.
John Hicks out in front by 3/10 over Garza. Garza 1.2 out in front of Cortez. Cortez 1.3 out in front of Amatia. Fernan rounding out the top 5.
You know.
Got a battle for 5th between Fernan and Pantana down the backstretch.
But yeah, I had an amazing time.
John Hicks, Dominic Garza, Nelson, our top 3, followed by Juan and Angel.
And then,
Nick and Gonzo, followed by Narb, Brett.
But that's where we race. And I race about 2 or 3 times a month, and I'm having a blast.
2 minutes down and 3 minutes left to go. We got 2 minutes down, 3 minutes left.
Yeah.
John Hicks out in front by 2/10 over Garza. Garza 1.9 out in front of Cortez. John down the back straightaway now. Got some breathing room here. As Dominic plummeted off the course here. Race leader coming up on some traffic here. We're coming up on Angel Fernan.
I got picked up by some sponsors because I'm kind of on that fast track and spend a lot of money. Like, yeah,
all right, so our race leader coming across the start finish line now. More traffic.
And so
Brett needs help.
I'm learning.
And clear.
It's a thing, and not knowing
Nelson in second, then Juan and Dominic battling out off the end of the straightaway. The yellow car making its way through traffic. Thanks, Brett. The yellow car should be in 3rd here. Juan across the start finish line. Down the back stretch. Got Dominic Garza behind him by 9/10. So Garza, very next car. Coming up on Narb. 4th place coming up on Narb, and we're clear. Battle for 3rd continues in through the center of the course. 1 minute and 20 seconds left to go, guys. Yep, the leader is that Corsa Gray in through the center of the course.
Okay, that's not too far away.
There's our race leader across the start finish line. Hicks 14.8. Down the back straightaway. Coming up on the orange and blue. All right, thanks, Bruce.
I'm working on that. We said.
All right, less than a minute left to go here, guys. John Hicks, Nelson, and Juan, followed by Dominic and Nick to round out the top 5. Angel, Narb, Gonzo, and Brett. 45 seconds left, guys. $30 seconds left to go, guys. 30 seconds.
You could buy all these things really quickly. Like, no, unless you're buying me a pair of shoes or a t-shirt or something, don't buy me, you know.
15 seconds left to go, guys. 15 left on the timer here. Hicks, Cortez, and Amatia. Followed by Garza and Pantana to round out the top 5. Race number 38, let's get them ready to go. Race number 39.